I am burning. I'm burning. Look, I got the sage burning up in there. The wild sage is burning. Oh, yes. You better believe it's burning. But if you find yourself riding past the Hoover Dam and you see my campfire burning, come on over and have a seat. I ain't got no food for you to eat, but you can still come on over and have a seat. Oh, dude. This feels so good. I think this seat is a little bit too close, though. I don't know why they put that this close. Because you best believe the sparks are flying off of there. And I want to jump onto my precious little... See, I already got down dirty once.